Okay, so first what you're gonna need is heat transfer paper. I'm gonna use NovaJet heat transfer paper HTP 125. It's available in the Indian market. Now this paper is white on one side and having blue grid on the other side. You're gonna use some kind of software like Microsoft Word so as to create the document. I'm gonna place something like a Ferrari logo onto the document which I'm gonna print on my t-shirt. Now this is my final document which I want on the heat transfer. And initially we're going to use a 4 size document just to see if the alignment of the printer and the printed images and all is proper or not. Now it's necessary for you to print the image as a mirror image so that when you iron them onto the t-shirts it will spread. Now let's print onto the A4 size document. I'm going to print it black and white just to see if the alignment is proper or not. And there you can see the alignment, no problem with that. The alignment looks good. So now we will print it onto the actual heat transfer paper and print it onto the white side, not the grid one, onto the white side. And there it is, color print, and the document looks good and it's ready to be transferred onto the t-shirt. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the part of the heat transfer which we require or which we need to transfer onto the garment. I have selected these 4 logos: Ferrari, Shell, Fila and Bridgestone. So now switch on the iron and put it onto the carton settings. Now take the heat transfer and place it onto the garment such that the printed um, area of faces towards the garment. And I'm going to use 2 of them onto the right side of the garment, as the Ferrari and the Fila logo. Now take the iron and just press it onto this paper for about 3 to 5 seconds just so that the catch of the garment will stick to it nicely. Now take the paper and press with the iron on carton settings with about medium to high pressure for about 30 seconds initially. We are using the paper so that the cloth does not burn a lot. After 30 seconds, take off the iron, wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, again put it back and again iron for about 15 seconds. Again remove it, again wait for 10 to 15 seconds, and again put the paper back and iron for 15 seconds. Continue this for about 2 to 3 times. After that, as you can see, all the 4 of them are been put on the t-shirt. You can see the yellowish marks. These are basically due to excessive heating. But don't worry, after 2 to 3 wash, they will vanish out. Now allow them to cool for about 5 minutes. It's necessary to allow them to cool before peeling off the stickers. Now after 5 minutes, we'll start peeling off the heat transfer, the upper part of the paper, that's sticker, and enjoy the final print under the issue. This is the first one, the Ferrari logo, which I'm peeling off. And after peeling off, you can see it's very nice, a very good print. I tell you, it's very good print. I'm going to jump on to the next one. That's the Fila logo, and even that is just awesome. There are the 2 logos, Ferrari and Fila, and we're going to jump onto the other side. That's the Shell logo and the Bridgestone. Initially we'll go with the Shell logo. Now if it gets too cold, it'll be a little bit difficult to get off, to peel off the sticker, but it won't affect the print. That's the Shell logo, and now onto the Bridgestone. There it is, nice and clean. And that's how the stickers look under the garment. Very nice. You can put various kind of prints whichever you like. I like Ferrari Formula One logo, this one, and it's awesome. And they do not get affected when you rub them. Even if you rub them hard, still they maintain mm, itself, and they do not get damaged. They remain nice and clean, as you can see them. And that's how they look on the garment. Very nice, like original. And that's it. It's really a good way of transferring it. Thank you.